It hadna been long since Kevin and Lance stumbled upon the mighty shield of Lancelot, buried under a burger van near Balloch, with holy light shining off it like it'd been polished with angel piss. The lads were struck dumb, well, more done than usual. "We've been chosen," Kevin muttered, eyes wide and gleaming like a pervert in a sauna, like the knights of old. "It's time to unite the kingdoms." Lance nodded, solemn-like. "Aye, but instead of swords and horses, we'll use crypto." Now, if that doesn't sound like the most doomed idea since someone let Napoleon into Russia in winter, then you're clearly as daft as they are. They called it Eejit Coin. The logo was Kevin's face photoshopped onto a unicorn humping a spreadsheet. Their mission? To give every soul in the realm, frae Glasgow to Guam, a wee bit of digital hope. A coin for the forgotten, a blockchain for the broken. They made a video. Kevin stood atop a bin in a tartan onesie, holding the shield of Lancelot like he was about to lead a charge on Lidl. "We are the new Camelot," he cried, "and this is the holy wallet." Lance added, "Every transaction brings us closer to unity. Join the revolution. Be an Eejit with us." They sent emails to world leaders. They tagged Elon Musk on X about 700 times. They offered airdrops to every pensioner in Stirling. And how did the world respond? Nae soul gave a flying shite. One lad in Inverurie bought a kebab with it by accident. Another used it to wipe his digital arse after losing his actual savings. Turns out, people didn't want unity. They wanted fast Wi-Fi and next day delivery. Kevin was gutted, sat with a loch with a shield on his lap, scrolling through Twitter, watching their coin value plummet faster than Lance's trousers at a ceilidh. "I thought we'd change the world," he said, voice trembling like a wet ferret. "Aye," Lance muttered. "Turns out, the world's already full of dafties with saviour complexes. We're just the only yins that did it with a unicorn coin and a shield stolen from ancient destiny." They sat in silence, the wind howling like an old man in a pub toilet. Then Kevin stood up. "Right, if crypto's out, we'll need to think of something else. The world still needs uniting. We've got this ancient relic, a destiny to fulfill, and 3 crates of iron brew left." Lance nodded. "Aye, maybe we go grassroots, community outreach." "Or we could start a cult," Kevin said, eyes wide again. Lance sighed. "Aye, that sounds more our speed." And off they went, shield glinting, heads empty, spirits high, to cock up the world in a brand new way. Slanche, ye modern day melons, your legend continues. So, do you want to see what they do next? Start a religion, open a commune, kidnap a prime minister with a giant badger costume? Tell me, you gobshite, what the bloody hell will happen in the next chapter. Join us next time on the misadventures of wee Kevin.